Hey, good evening, everybody. My name is William Samuel Chestnut. I am your child's physics teacher for this semester, Fall 21 at GCIT. This is my 27th year teaching science in the state of New Jersey, and I'm excited to be here with you tonight. So on this slide, I'm going to give you an abridged version of my back-to-school presentation because I know that we're all busy. So this slide contains my contact information. I apologize. And it's my phone number is going to be 856-468-1445, extension 2005. If you leave a voicemail, you can get a hold of me, and it goes directly to my email, or you can email me directly at the listed email address. So I really like to thank you for taking a look at this video and or attending tonight. I always attend. I have two children of my own. They go to the Franklin Township School District and Delsea Regional School District. And I know that it's important for me to be there for their back-to-school night. And I appreciate you being present for this one, too. Physics is a course that is taught to all 9th grade students at GCIT. Our curriculum is designed by the Center for Teaching and Learning, which is njctl.org is their website. All the materials can be found online if you want to go to njctl.org. I also provide each student with a paper copy of all the notes. If they lose it, I give them another one. It's no problem. All right, so in terms of the grading policy we have right here, we're going to see that the grade will be derived from this from these percentages here. Tests are worth 25% of the grade. In-class responses are going to be like a catch-all category, which is 15% of the grade. 25% of the grade comes from the labs and projects. Mid-unit benchmarks are going to be 15% of the grade. Benchmarks are like quizzes. Almost the same thing, it's just a new word for that. And then the final exam counts for 20% of the entire grade. In terms of the student expectations of the teacher, I will be respectful and courteous to everybody. I will be prepared and on time to class. If anybody needs assistance, I will take care of it either in class or some other arranged upon time, preferably before school. I have extensive knowledge of the subject matter, and I will grade your student performance and then return the papers that I'm allowed to grade promptly if necessary. Quizzes and tests are going to be kept by myself here because they are used by not just other teachers in the school, but other schools. So it's an online curriculum that's used in a variety of places. So really that's the essence of my back-to-school presentation. I really don't want to say too much. If you have any specific questions, you can reach out to me in my email address, and I'll get back to you. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.